In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a WPS file in Microsoft Word. WPS files come from older versions of Microsoft Works, and by default, newer versions of Word don't always recognize them. The good news is, there are a couple of simple ways to get them open, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, let's start with the most direct approach, trying to open the WPS file straight in Word. Go ahead and launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look for the Open option. You can either click File in the top left corner and choose Open, or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. When the Open window appears, navigate to the folder where your WPS file is saved. Now, there's a small but important detail here. Depending on your version of Word, it may only be showing Word documents, like doc or .docx files. If you don't see your WPS file listed, look for the File Type drop-down at the bottom of the window. Change that setting so it shows all files, or specifically WPS or Works documents if that option exists. Once you can see your WPS file, click on it and then click Open. On some systems, Word will open the WPS file right away. If that happens, you're done with the hardest part. At this point, it's a good idea to resave the file as a modern Word document. Go to File, then Save As, choose a location, and make sure the file type is set to .docx. This will make the file easier to open in the future and help preserve your formatting. If Word refuses to open the WPS file or you get an error, don't worry. That usually means your version of Word doesn't include the old compatibility features for Works documents. In that case, a reliable workaround is to use an online file converter. Search for a trusted WPS to docx converter. Upload your WPS file, and let the site convert it into a Word-compatible format. After the conversion is done, download the new file and open it in Word the same way as any other document. Once your file is open in Word, scroll through and double-check that everything looks correct. Sometimes older formatting, fonts, or images may shift slightly, so it's worth taking a moment to review. That's all you need to open a WPS file in Word, either directly or with a quick conversion, and then save it in a modern, easy-to-use format.